Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off ads and their personalization. So the first thing I highly recommend to do is to open the settings, and in the left section let's scroll up and find more connections. Here we've got the Private DNS, so just tap on it and mark Private DNS provider hostname. Now we need to enter the hostname, so just tap on this section here and enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. Thanks to using it, your device will limit the advertisements. Moreover, let's come back to this left section, scroll down to find the Google section right here. Now let's tap on all services and scroll down to find privacy and security, and here we've got ads, so just tap on it. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and basically the whole idea of this feature is that it gathers the information about you, about your searching, and based on that it will show you the advertisement. So for example, I was looking for a lamp to my living room, and after that the device will show me the advertisements with this specific lamp, with different variations of this lamp, with different offers, different prices, different stores, maybe some kind of things that could be useful for that lamp, for example, bulb, etc. So this is how it works. Resetting and removing advertising ID will not necessarily limit the number, the amount of advertisements, but it will remove the personalization, which is also great. So highly recommend to tap on reset advertising ID, tap on confirm, and then delete advertising ID and tap on delete, and basically this is it. Another thing I highly recommend to do is to limit the notifications from specific apps, because sometimes there are some kind of apps that will show us the notifications with advertisements right here in the notification center. So I think that the best option is to find the app that is showing us the kind of notifications. For the purpose of the video, let's pretend it's a Play Store. So just tap on the app and hold it, and then go to app info, so tap on this info icon. Now go to notifications, and here we've got different categories of the notifications. So you can either try to find a specific category which is kind of connected with the advertisements, like for example payments, deals, and recommendations, and simply tap on the switcher next to it to turn it off. Or you can turn off all of the notifications right here, of course, if you don't need other notifications from this specific app. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the blockers, advertisement blockers, as a separate app. For example, in the Google Play Store, let me just enter here. Let's tap on search, and here enter adblock or adblocker or something like that, and basically try to find something that will be useful for you, because we've got ad blockers that are designed for a specific browser. We've got ad blockers that are designed for the videos, for the whole system, etc. So highly recommend to check those options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.